Good morning, students. Today we are going to read chapter 7, The Boy and the Wolf, of our Classic Tales book. Once upon a time, there was a young boy of 10 years who lived in a village. His name was Rinku. Rinku was a shepherd. He used to take care of all the farmers' sheep while they were grazing. Rinku used to feel very bored when he was out in the meadows with the sheep. One day, he decided to play a prank on the simple villagers. Rinku climbed up a tree and shouted with all his might, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf! Help! The wolf is carrying away a lamb!" Many villagers came rushing to the spot where Rinku was. Most of them were armed with axes, clubs, logs, and the like. "Where is the wolf?" one villager asked. Rinku was rolling with laughter. "There is no wolf, I just fooled you," he said. The villagers felt very angry and warned Rinku not to play such a trick on them again. So, once upon a time there was a boy. He was 10 years old and his name was Rinku. He lived in a village and he was a shepherd. तो shepherd कौन होते हैं बच्चों? Who keeps sheep, जो sheep को grazing का काम करवाते हैं और sheep रखते हैं. ओके, तो those boys are called shepherds. तो Rinku was a shepherd and he used to take care of all the sheep of all the farmers. And one day he was feeling very bored, so he tried to play some fun with the villagers. He climbed up a tree and he shouted very loudly, "Wolf, wolf, please help me. The wolf is carrying away a lamb." And all the villagers came rushing to that place. But they saw that there was no wolf. Just then, Rinku started laughing very loudly. And he said, "There is no wolf. I was just befooling you." And all the villagers felt very angry with Rinku. Now, the next page. Rinku kept quiet for many days after that. Then, about 2 weeks later, he could hold himself back no more. The wicked boy again climbed up a tree and started yelling, "Wolf, help! The wolf is killing a lamb! Help!" Again many villagers came running up. When they realized they had been tricked again, they told Rinku that no matter how much he cried for help, they would not come. Well, it so happened that a week later a wolf actually came and attacked the sheep. Rinku climbed a tree and shouted for help, but no one came this time. The wolf killed a lamb and carried it away. Rinku had to pay for the lamb out of his wages. He realized that it was not right to take advantage of anyone, for that person would turn against him. Moral: what you sow, so you reap. So, after that incident, Rinku kept quiet for many days. Then, about 2 weeks later, he thought to befool the villagers again. 2 weeks के बाद उसने सोचा कि क्यों ना फिर से villagers को फूल बनाया जाए. Then he again climbed up a tree and speak loudly, "Wolf, help! The wolf is killing a lamb! Help!" And again all the villagers were befooled. They came running up. But again he was telling a lie. There was no wolf. All the villagers were very angry. But a week later, a wolf actually came and attacked the sheep. He climbed a tree. Rinku climbed a tree and again shouted for help. But no one came this time because all of them were thinking that he was telling a lie again. And the wolf killed a lamb and carried it away. And Rinku had to pay for this lamb. So, from this story, we can learn that we should not take advantage of anyone because that person would turn against you. Okay, so the moral is what you sow, so you reap. आप जैसा बोते हैं वैसा ही काटते हैं. जैसा हम काम करेंगे हमें उसका जो रिज़ल्ट है वो भी वैसा ही मिलेगा. So each and every time try to do very good to each and every person. Thank you.